Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the mechanical key. This key needs to be removed before you can access the battery compartment. With the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap between the two halves of the key fob. Work your way around the seam, prying it open slowly. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.